Here we're told Mike rented a truck for a trip. He pays a daily fee of $20 and a mileage fee of 50 cents per mile. Write an expression that represents his total cost when he travels X miles a day. If it weren't for that daily fee, we would multiply 50 cents or $0.50 by X. That would just give us the mileage amount that he's paying. This is similar to if there's an item selling at a store for $10 and you buy 6 of them, then $10 per item times 6 items would give you $60. Here, the mileage fee that he's paying is 0.50 times X, but then he has to pay an extra $20 for the daily fee. Now, normally that would be written afterwards. Let's see what happens if it accepts it with adding 20 first. It has taken that, but there will be a point where we'll want to put the X term first.